Question 15. The diagram below shows a number machine. So we have the input going through to this box, which is one function. So with that, you have to add 7. And then with the answer to that, you pop in the next function box and then multiply it by 3. And then that'll give you the output. So the best way to do these is without a calculator, really, because some people do often make a mistake when using a calculator, because calculators are set up to use BIDMAS, and if these functions are in the wrong way around for the calculator's liking, then it'll do it the way it wants to anyway, and you could end up coming out with the wrong answer. If you want to use a calculator, then you need to make sure that at this point you always press equals and then do the next function. That would be fine. So using the number machine above, calculate the output when the input is -2. So the input is -2 here. It goes into the function machine and we add 7. So the sum we'd be doing is -2 add on 7. So we can use a number line to help us with this. When we're going in this direction, we're adding, and if we're going in this direction, we're taking away. So I need to start at -2 and I need to add on 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that takes me to 5. So a quick way, you can draw a number line if you want to, or a quick way to do it in your head is we're in a negative number now and we're adding on a positive number that's larger than that. So that means just work out the difference between the two numbers, which would be 5, and that's your answer, +5. Now we've got the answer of 5, you put it into this part and then we have to times it by 3. So you'd be saying 5 times 3 would give you the output of 15. If you wanted to do that on the calculator, as we said, we need to type it in correctly. So -2, this is the minus button here, -2, add 7 equals 5, and then times 3 equals 15. Part B, that's 15 for 1 mark. The input when the output is 36. So this time we're going backwards. The output is 36 and it's asking you to go back through these functions to find what the input would have been. So because we're going backwards in the opposite direction, we're actually going to do the opposite signs. So instead of multiplying by 3, we're going to divide by 3 because we're going in this direction. And then on the next one, this direction, instead of adding 7, we're going to take away 7, and that will give us our input. So 36 divided by 3, so you can do it on the calculator or in your head, that goes in 12 times. So 36 divided by 3 equals 12, and then with the answer of that 12, I'm going to take away 7, and 12 take away 7 would be 5. So it's 1 mark for the final answer of 5.